Have you ever struggled with calculating your employees' working hours? This is Erica, and today, let me show you how to make it a breeze in Jodoo using a simple formula. In this video, let's learn to effortlessly calculate the exact number of hours worked each day using just two simple functions, DATEDIF and ROUND. First things first. To keep it simple, I've got a form ready with the check-in and check-out fields. Now, let's dive in and calculate the exact number of hours worked each day. We'll start by adding a number field and naming it hours worked. Next, head over to Field Properties, find Initial Value, and select Formula. Click to enter the Formula Settings page. Under Date Functions, you'll find the DATEDIF function. If you've used Excel before, this will feel familiar. Just like in Excel, DATEDIF in Jodoo also calculates the number of minutes, hours, days, months, or years between two dates. This function has three parts: the start date, the end date, and the time unit. The start and end dates are required. Jodoo will help you calculate the difference between them. The time unit is optional but important. If you leave it blank, it will calculate the difference in days by default. Jodoo supports 6 types of time units: year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. Note that the uppercase M is for months and the lowercase m is for minutes. For this example, we need to calculate the hours between check-in and check-out. Let's set the check-in field as the start date, the check-out field as the end date, and the time unit as the hour. Let's see how it works. Let's click Debug to preview. As we can see, it calculated the number of hours, but notice it's not a whole number. If you'd prefer a whole number, we can fix that using the round function. Let's exit the debug mode and wrap our existing formula with the round function. The round function requires two inputs: the number to round and the number of digits to round to. In this example, we've calculated the number of hours worked with the DATEDIF function, and we will use this as the number to round, and 0 to round to the nearest whole number. Let's debug again. And now we have the hours worked as a whole number. That's how you calculate the hours your employees work each day in Jodoo using DATEDIF and ROUND. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. In real-life scenarios, you can automate this process to calculate hours worked daily, weekly, or monthly, saving you tons of time and hassle. If you're interested in setting up an automated process like that, or if you have any questions, drop a comment below or join our community. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.